Everybody, today we will be talking about SONO and my earnings play for them. I do have some options for them. I have two calls. My cost is $80 and the market value is $56. So you can see I'm down $24 because I bought my first option at the highest point at 50 cents, which, let's see if there's a high for the, oh no, it was not. Okay. So, here's my history so far with the option, the call for SONO. Well, anyways, it is a 5 cent ticker option, so you can only buy it in 30, 25, 20. You can't buy it 26, 27, 28, 29. So that really, it's not very enjoyable. We don't have to see the history, but I bought my first one at 50 cents and then my second one at 30. So, next, I'll show you why I bought SONO. So this is SONO today, but they are down a giant 20%, or as you can see up here, 22% from their earnings, and apparently it was bad. The earnings report was bad, but the growth is still there. So I bought some calls. I do not own any stock, but from the looks of it, I might buy some, even though this is not really my type of stock. And let's do it from the IPO. Yeah, so they're up since 1551, and yeah, so I bought two calls on this. So let's look on here for the call right here. Copy and paste. So this is actually very needed because number one, it is at an all-time low, and if we look on the 180-day analysis, you can see it's at the 40 RSI, which means it is more oversold than overbought. So I would be selling right around 60s, 70s, or as soon as I get my average, just because I do not think I got the best entry on this one. So you can see the option went from 25 cents down from 215. So this is a huge IV crush. If you know what that is, it's just the IV of an option, like right. Oh, it's the IV of an option. Where is it? Implied volatility 77.76, and it's called an IV crush. So right before this was earnings, so everyone thought it was going to go up. So there's a whole bunch of speculation, and then it did not go in all their favor. So it crushed down, and a lot of this is from the IV, not all of the price, because SONO is not down 85% today, but this option is. And then I do have another call. This is for LRCX. Oh, but first, oh, got it. My mouse is acting up today. I'll probably fix that later. Sorry for the slow internet connection also. Alright, so this is the chart from finviz.com. I highly support this website. And so you can see it started with this huge red candle from 1551, went all the way down, went down to 16, went up, down to 16 again. So there is a little resistance on that $16 point. So if we could look at the, let's try 180 day. So there's definitely resistance right here, so you can tell. Let's put that down there actually. Lots of resistance right here. So this is definitely a good thing. That means it could definitely bounce off of this. So you can see the RSI is right on the oversold territory sign, I would say. And if you also want to note that the resistance is $22. Oh, let's try that again. Oh yeah. Resistance is $22. So this offers a pretty big price change from 16 to 22.5. It's plus 34%, 35, or minus 26. So this could go up 35% technically, and then it could break past this and rally, but that is if it goes up, or it could just go down here and I will sell at a loss on my options, because we all know it's not going to go back to 22.5 by my date. So these options are definitely not meant to not expire worthless, if that makes sense. They're not meant to be in the money. It says Sono $22.5 call, and Sono's at $16 right now, and this expires in a month. So definitely not meant to expire in the money. It's going to expire worthless, that's for sure. But I'm just trying to capture on the movements between the time of now and the expiry date. That is all. And now I'll show you my my LRCX option. Where's that? So this one's a little better. Got this little rally at the end, but I'm a lot more faithful in this one for sure. There's a market value of 64. I bought 63. I'm up $1, and I am gonna hold this. So that's 10 days. So I'm going to try to sell this week for sure, because I do not think it's a reasonable price. If you guys do not know what LRCX is Lam Research. They produce microchips. I did a couple videos on them so far, but today was a 2.5% drop for no reason, just the whole market in general. They fell from $100 or $170 point from a couple days ago. So yeah, wait, let's see how much days this was. So 9 hours, no, 5 days. Okay, 5 days difference. So I don't know if that's exactly right, but I know it's not more than a couple of days. Let's actually see. So this was Wednesday. Today is now Tuesday, so I guess. But I think this could definitely rally to $167.50, or at least get to this, whatever the simple moving average is. And so that's why I have those calls. And another thing going for me on this is the pattern. As you can see, it has a strong resistance from January, and then if not, it will go down here, hit this 140, almost $150 from a trend line, from a downward channel from 234 back in March. So this is definitely better going for me. This is a lot of risk. Sono is not LRCX. I'd much rather play LRCX, but I'm kind of down a whole bunch on Sono, so I might as well go through with it because it doesn't expire until 2 months, when the other one expires in 10 days. Or I'm sorry, 1 month. Alright, so that is my calls. Oh wait, I should probably show you LRCX. Yeah, I have two. My average is 31.5 cents per contract, and my break-even price is 167.82. That doesn't mean anything because I'm not gonna hold until expiry. But if I were, I'd mean that that's how much money I would make if it got to that price, or if it got to this price, I'd only make 32 because it's at 167.82 when my call is 167.5. This plus that is a break-even price. That's if I was going to hold until expiry. But I'm not going to because this only expires in 10 days. I'm going to try to get out of this. The next LRCX Green Day, when it's up around 1%, because it definitely needs a trend to the upside. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment what you like about it, and I will see you next time.